Solve by completing the square. The equation x squared minus 4x is equal to 6. Well, using the process of completing the square, we're going to create a perfect square trinomial on the left side of this equation. So I'm going to rewrite the left side as x squared minus 4x. I'm going to leave a little room here for completing the square, set equal to 6 on the right-hand side. Now, in order to create a perfect square trinomial, we look at this middle coefficient, which is negative 4. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. And negative 2 quantity squared is a positive 4. So take half of that coefficient and square it. If we add 4 to the left, we need to add 4 to the right to keep this equation balanced. Now this trinomial on the left is going to factor as x minus 2 times x minus 2, or x minus 2 quantity squared, and that's equal to 10. So at this point we've created a step that looks like something squared is equal to a number. Now we'll take the square root of both sides, considering both are positive and negative roots. So x minus 2 is equal to the square root of 10, or x minus 2 is equal to the negative root, the negative of the square root of 10. On the left, x is equal to 2 plus the square root of 10, adding 2 over. Over here on the right equation, we have x is equal to 2 minus the square root of 10. It's always a good idea to check these equations up in the original, check these two solutions up in the original equation. And as you do that, you'll see that they both work. So let's summarize by saying the solution set is 2 plus the square root of 10 and 2 minus the square root of 10. I'm going to write that succinctly as 2 plus or minus the square root of 10.